Hey, it's Sherri Plotke, your local Scottsdale real estate broker. Today we are out in Surprise, Arizona, and touring you through the model homes of Sterling Grove. These are all new build homes in this brand new community. It's a resort community with clubhouse, fitness, huge resort pool, 18-hole golf course, tennis and pickleball. So many things to do here, and we're excited to show you. Look forward to hearing your comments on the homes, and thanks again for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you like these videos. It really helps us to get out and keep making more and more content. Welcome to Sterling Grove in Surprise, Arizona. If you're considering purchasing a home in this community, then I hope you find this video helpful, as we're taking you on a behind-the-scenes tour, showing you the clubhouse facilities, the street layouts, and I'm going to talk to you about all of the features and amenities that come along with purchasing a home in Sterling Grove. Sterling Grove is a Toll Brothers home community, and it's being built on 788 acres in Surprise, Arizona. And when it's complete, there'll be 2,200 homes. They're offering 20 luxury home designs ranging from 1,500 square feet to over 3,000 square feet. The standard home sites range from 5,500 to over 10,000 square feet. Let's talk more about the amazing amenities. We've got golf, tennis, pickleball, bocce ball courts, ping pong tables, 3 pools, resort style, tranquil and lap pool, dining, a poolside bar, and a grab-and-go market, along with a health and wellness spa and state-of-the-art fitness center and movement studio. There also will be 15 miles of trails and 5 parks. The HOA dues in the community will be $140 a month, billed quarterly, and the social membership, which is required, is $140 a month, billed through Troon. Welcome to the Hastings floor plan in the Pasadena collection in Sterling Grove in Surprise, Arizona. This home is a stunning property. It's 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, all on one level, and it's 3,466 square feet. The home starts at $1,095,995, and it's available in 4 elevations: the Spanish elevation, the prairie elevation, the ranch, and the farmhouse. The farmhouse is going to be the highest priced at $118,995. This home is fantastic. We absolutely love the dramatic great room with huge sliders, the massive kitchen, huge kitchen island, and an amazing dining room. So hope you guys enjoy the tour of this home, and thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you. Appreciate any comments or feedback you have. Look forward to hearing from you soon.